Are you struggling to score in class 10 maths? This video could be the solution. Save it and start with 100 essential questions.
Question number 60. The students of a class are made to stand in rows. If 3 more students are in a row, there would be 1 less row. And if 3 students are less in a row, there would be 2 rows more. Then find the number of students in the class. Very important question. Okay, so imagine that there are students standing in the rows. Okay, so let's assume that the number of rows are y. Okay, and number of students in the rows are x. Okay, now the number of students in the class will be number of rows multiplied by the number of students. Correct. So the total number of students in the class will be x into y. Now, what is the first condition? The first condition is that if you add 3 more students in each row, then you will get 1 less row as compared to previous. Okay? So originally number of students are not going to change, right? So we can write xy is equal to, now the new, you can say rows are 1 less and number of students are 3 more. So it will be y minus 1 into x plus 3. Okay, y minus 1 into x plus 3. Now you can solve it. So xy is equal to, open the bracket, y into x plus 3 minus into bracket x plus 3. So xy plus 3y minus x minus 3. So xy will get cancelled on both the sides and we will get again a linear equation, minus x plus 3y equal to 3, and that's equation number 1. Okay, very interesting. Second condition is that if you reduce 3 students from each row, you will get 2 more rows. So again number of students are not going to change. So xy is equal to, we have reduced the student by 3. So x minus 3 number of students and we got 2 more rows. So that is y plus 2. So xy is equal to y plus 2 into x minus 3. Similarly, let's open the brackets. So y into x minus 3 plus 2 into x minus 3. So xy minus 3y plus 2x minus 6. So again xy will get cancelled on both the sides and we will get a linear equation, 2x minus 3y equal to 6. Second equation. So if you add the two equations, minus x plus 2x will give you x, plus 3y minus 3y will get cancelled, and 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So we got x is equal to 9. Okay, so x is equal to 9 is the value of the variable. If you put this value of variable x in equation number 1, we will get minus 9 plus 3y equal to 3. So 3y is equal to 12 and y equal to 4. What it means? That there are 4 rows and in each row there are 9 students. So total students are 9 into 4, which is 36.